Imagine an SUV that costs half as much as a luxury rival but lasts twice as long. Most people think a budget price tag means a disposable car, but in 2026, the opposite is often true. We've found the 9 SUVs where 200,000 miles is just the halfway point. These vehicles don't just survive high mileage, they thrive, maintaining that new car tightness and responsiveness long after the competition has fallen apart. By focusing on proven tech instead of experimental gimmicks, these SUVs are the ultimate middle finger to the $800 a month car payment. Today, we are revealing the 9 cheap SUVs that are actually reliable and why they're the only ones worth your money. Number 9. Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos makes this list for one primary reason: the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. In 2026, Kia has reached a level of manufacturing maturity where they are willing to bet on their cars lasting longer than almost anyone else in the business. While the Seltos offers a flashy 1.6-liter turbo, the smart money for 200,000-mile reliability is the 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine. By avoiding the heat soak of a turbo and the complexity of a dual-clutch transmission, this specific Seltos configuration is a low-stress workhorse designed for the long haul. Recent data shows that with standard maintenance, specifically changing the CVT fluid every 60,000 miles, the Seltos is routinely clearing the 200,000-mile mark while still driving like a much younger car. Kia has significantly improved its underbody corrosion protection and paint thickness for the 2026 models, addressing the rust issues that used to kill high-mileage Kias. Inside, the Seltos uses high-grade synthetic materials that don't peel or crack under UV exposure. It's a vehicle that gives you a decade of protection right out of the gate, and if you treat it right, it will reward you with a second decade of service. It's a don't ignore pick because it combines modern tech with a mechanical core that refuses to quit. Number 8. Chevrolet Trax. The Chevrolet Trax is probably the most surprising entry on this list. For years, budget Chevy was a phrase that made mechanics nervous, but the 2026 Trax has completely flipped the script. It's currently outperforming vehicles twice its price in long-term reliability studies, earning a stellar 84 out of 100 from J.D. Power. The reason it's a 200,000-mile contender is its refreshing simplicity. In an era of overcomplicated everything, Chevy went back to basics with a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. By skipping the complex, fragile CVTs used by its competitors, Chevy gifted the Trax a drivetrain that can actually handle the heat and friction of high-mileage life. This 6-speed is a proven unit that doesn't hunt for gears or suffer from the droning belt failures common in the subcompact class. The front-wheel drive architecture also means fewer differentials and transfer cases to service, reducing the failure points as the car ages. Owners of the current generation are reporting that the build quality is night and day compared to the old GMs. The doors thunk with authority, and the interior plastics are designed to resist the warping and cracking that usually plagues cheap cars. If you want a brand new car that has the old-school soul of a 200,000-mile survivor, the Trax is the value king of 2026. Number 7. Toyota RAV4. If the Corolla Cross is the rising star, the Toyota RAV4 is the undisputed king of the high-mileage compact segment. In 2026, the RAV4 remains the smartest decision you can make if your goal is to hit 250,000 or even 300,000 miles. While other manufacturers are constantly trying to reinvent the wheel with experimental tech, Toyota has doubled down on what works. The 2026 model stands out because it utilizes the TNGA-K platform, a chassis so over-engineered for rigidity that the car still feels tight and rattle-free long after the 150,000-mile mark. The real secret to the RAV4's legendary longevity is the 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine found in the hybrid models. Unlike traditional engines that are under constant stress, this unit works in harmony with an eCVT. Now, don't let the CVT name fool you. This isn't a belt-driven system that will snap. It's a planetary gear set, and essentially a collection of metal gears that are virtually indestructible. There are no belts to slip and no clutches to burn out. This setup is so robust that 200,000 miles isn't just a goal, it's practically the halfway point for many owners. When you combine this with the highest resale value in the industry, the RAV4 isn't just an SUV, it's a financial fortress. You're buying a vehicle that will likely be passed down to your kids, still driving with that signature Toyota precision. Number 6. Honda CR-V Base Model. The Honda CR-V has been the benchmark for the compact SUV segment for over 25 years, and the 2026 model proves why quality never goes out of style. While the hybrids get the headlines, the base LX and EX models, powered by the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, are the true reliability sleepers. For 2026, Honda has officially mastered this powertrain, having solved the oil dilution issues that plagued earlier versions in cold climates. With a durable, low-friction design and a refined CVT, this engine is now routinely hitting 250,000 to 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance. What sets the CR-V apart is its interior ergonomics and build quality. In an era where every car hides basic functions behind 3 layers of touchscreen menus, Honda has kept physical knobs for the volume and climate control. These components are less likely to fail than a complex digital interface. The CR-V's ACE body structure also ensures that the vehicle stays rigid and safe even after years of daily abuse. It's a masterclass in packaging and common-sense engineering. When you buy a CR-V, you aren't just buying a car. You're buying a 15-year relationship with a vehicle that was designed to be your most reliable tool, still driving with that signature Honda precision at a mileage where most cars are heading for the scrap heap. Number 5. Subaru Forester. The 2026 Subaru Forester is the SUV for people who prioritize visibility, safety, and a no-nonsense approach to durability. This brand-new generation has doubled down on what made the Forester a legend. But the real story for 2026 is the new, strong hybrid system. Subaru collaborated with Toyota to source high-voltage hybrid components, combining Toyota's world-class electrification expertise with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive. This partnership is a game-changer for reliability. You're getting the most proven hybrid tech on the planet paired with a chassis that is built to handle literal mountains. Even if you stick with the base 2.5-liter boxer engine, you're getting a refined power plant that has seen decades of iterative improvements to head gaskets and oil seals. Subaru's engineering prioritizes ruggedness, and it shows in the suspension. The Forester is famous for maintaining its ride quality and tightness well into its second decade of service. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and a reinforced frame, the 2026 Forester is designed to be a 200,000-mile tank. If you follow the 6,000-mile maintenance intervals, this is one of the few vehicles that will still feel like a loyal partner when most other budget SUVs have long since been traded in. Number 4. Mazda CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 is a sleeper choice in the subcompact market, and it's arguably the best-kept secret for long-term reliability in 2026. While almost every other manufacturer has switched to continuously variable transmissions to chase fuel economy, Mazda has stubbornly stuck with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a massive win for you. Traditional automatics handle heat better and generally have a much longer lifespan than the belt and pulley systems found in CVTs. By avoiding the rubber band feel and potential failure points of a CVT, the CX-30 offers a driving experience that still feels crisp and responsive, even when the odometer ticks past 150,000 miles. Under the hood, the base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated Sky-Activ G engine is a masterpiece of conservative engineering. Mazda focuses on high compression efficiency without the need for a complex turbocharger setup. This means fewer moving parts, less underhood heat, and a significantly lower probability of expensive repairs once you cross the 10-year mark. In 2026, the CX-30 continues to outclass its price tag with an interior that resists rattles and squeaks better than cars twice its price. It's a precision-engineered machine that doesn't rely on experimental tech to get the job done, making 200,000 miles a standard destination, not a lucky break. Number 3. Honda HR-V. Honda built its empire on engines that refuse to die, and the 2026 HR-V is a deliberate return to that bulletproof era. While the larger CR-V has shifted toward complex turbocharging, the HR-V sticks to a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated iVTEC engine. This is a legendary engine family, known for its ability to handle heat and high RPMs for hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. In 2026, where complexity often leads to catastrophe, this 158-horsepower powertrain is a mechanical sanctuary. It uses a multi-point fuel injection system and dual variable timing control, VTC, which are far less prone to the carbon buildup issues that plague modern direct injection turbo engines. In 2026, Honda has also addressed the long-term durability of its continuously variable transmission. They've reinforced the steel belts and updated the cooling software to prevent the overheating issues that plagued the subcompact segment 5 years ago. The revised shift mapping now replicates stepped gear changes, reducing the droning effect and lowering stress on the transmission during hard acceleration. The result is a drivetrain that feels snappy and connected even after years of city abuse. But the reliability isn't just under the hood. The HR-V's interior is built with high-quality, hard-wearing materials designed for the long haul. The dashboard features a unique honeycomb mesh insert that hides the air vents, a design that isn't just aesthetic, but also discourages the rattles and squeaks that usually develop in plastic-heavy cabins as the miles climb. The body-stabilizing seats are specifically engineered with internal resin structures to maintain their shape and support, meaning they won't feel sunk in after 150,000 miles of daily use. Standard for 2026 is the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes a wide-view camera and high-speed processing chips that act as a digital safety net, potentially preventing the minor collisions that often total older high-mileage cars. It's a disciplined, low-drama SUV designed to last well beyond its payoff date. If you're looking for an SUV that still feels like a new car at 200,000 miles, the HR-V is one of the few that can actually deliver on that promise. Number 2. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is the automotive equivalent of a cheat code. Toyota essentially took the most reliable mechanical blueprint in history, the Corolla sedan, gave it a lift, and added a massive cargo area. By 2026, the Corolla Cross has solidified its reputation as the most reliable subcompact on the road. Whether you choose the standard 2.0-liter or the hybrid, you are getting a powertrain that Toyota has spent decades perfecting. The hybrid version is particularly impressive because it uses Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system, which is designed for a service life that often exceeds the life of the car itself. There are no traditional starter motors, alternators, or belts to fail. It's a simplified, high-efficiency machine that quietly racks up 20,000 miles a year without a single complaint. Even after 150,000 miles, these vehicles still have that precision Toyota click in the doors and the same smooth power delivery they had on day one. It's a boring choice, sure, but when you're still driving it in 2036 while your neighbors are on their 3rd car loan, boring starts to look a lot like genius. Number 1. Subaru Crosstrek. If you want a vehicle that's going to look exactly the same and drive exactly the same 10 years from now, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek is your best bet. In a market where everyone is trying to sell you a complex hybrid or a tiny, overstressed turbo engine, Subaru is still playing the hits. For 2026, the 2.5-liter boxer engine remains a masterclass in conservative engineering. Because it's naturally aspirated, you don't have turbo seals leaking or intercoolers cracking at 100,000. Subaru has essentially built a golden retriever on wheels. It's not trying to be a spaceship, it's trying to be a tool. The 2026 model features an even stiffer chassis and improved suspension dampening that absorbs road imperfections so well, it maintains that tight feeling well into the triple digits on the odometer. Consumer Reports currently ranks it as a top reliability pick for 2026 because it skips the experimental electronics that are currently bricking other budget SUVs. If you keep the fluids fresh, hitting 200,000 miles in a Crosstrek isn't a goal, it's an expectation. It's the smart buy for anyone who wants to stop worrying about their car and start driving it. Finding a reliable SUV on a budget in 2026 isn't about luck. It's about looking past the shiny screens and checking the specs that actually matter. Whether it's the planetary gears in the RAV4 or the traditional 6-speed automatic in the Chevy Trax, these 9 vehicles prove that you don't have to spend $80,000 to get a car that will last 20 years. The common thread here is simplicity. The manufacturers of these SUVs didn't try to reinvent the engine. They focused on building a tool that works every single time you turn the key, even when that key has been turned for a decade straight. My advice? Stop chasing the newest experimental tech or the prestige of a luxury badge that comes with a $3,000 repair bill. But stick with the brands that have skin in the game and components that have been tested over millions of miles. Buy smart, maintain it well, and your cheap SUV will still be purring at 200,000 miles when those $100,000 money pits are long gone. Thanks for watching, stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.